Hello viewers, welcome to this video. Viewers, in this video I am going to share with you 5 English names of natural object. So let's see. Number 1, pond. Pond. Pond means pukur. Pond means pukur. Number 2, canal. Canal. Canal means khal. Canal means khal. Number 3, river. River. River means nodi. River means nodi. Number 4, sea. Sea. Sea means সাগর or সমুদ্র. Sea means সাগর or সমুদ্র. Number 5, ocean. Ocean. Ocean means মহাসাগর. Ocean means মহাসাগর. Okay viewers, keep learning and memorizing these names and waiting for the next video. Bye.